If you've seen ads claiming you can earn rewards just by walking, you've probably come across Sweatcoin. But is Sweatcoin actually legitimate, or is it just another app that overpromises and underdelivers? In this review, we'll explain how Sweatcoin works, what you can really earn, its pros and cons, and whether it's worth using in 2026. Let's get started. First, what is Sweatcoin? Sweatcoin is a fitness app that rewards users for walking outdoors. The app tracks your steps using your phone's GPS and motion sensors, then converts eligible steps into a virtual currency called Sweatcoins. You can use these Sweatcoins to redeem rewards, discounts, gift cards, subscriptions, and in some cases, cash offers or cryptocurrency related rewards through special promotions. So, is Sweatcoin legitimate? Yes. Sweatcoin is a legitimate app with millions of users worldwide. It has been available for several years and has paid out rewards to many users through its marketplace. However, it's important to understand that Sweatcoins are not the same as real money. You won't earn a full-time income just by walking, and the value of your rewards depends on what's currently available in the app. One of the biggest advantages of Sweatcoin is that it encourages people to stay active. If you already walk every day, the app allows you to earn small rewards for something you're already doing. It also includes fitness challenges, streaks, and referral bonuses that can help you earn additional Sweatcoins. On the downside, earnings are relatively modest. Many of the most attractive rewards require a large number of Sweatcoins, so it may take weeks or even months of regular walking to redeem them. Some offers are also limited by region, meaning users in different countries may not see the same rewards. What do users think? Overall, reviews are generally positive. Many users enjoy the motivation to walk more and appreciate receiving discounts and occasional rewards. The most common complaints involve slow earnings, limited reward availability, and the fact that not every step is counted if it doesn't meet the app's tracking requirements. So, what's the final verdict? Is Sweatcoin a scam? No. It's a legitimate rewards app that encourages physical activity and offers real rewards. However, it's best viewed as a fun way to earn small perks while staying active, not as a way to make serious money. If you're already walking every day and enjoy fitness apps, Sweatcoin is definitely worth trying. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments whether you've used Sweatcoin and what your experience has been.